Okay, everybody, John Seville here. This is your mid-morning executive summary update. Okay, let's crack over to the index. Now, what an exciting action! So, who woke up this morning and saw the Japanese Nikkei up 7%, the Chinese markets up 3.5%, and thought, "Oh no! Cover all your shorts, stop going long." um, you know, uh, and I was in the gym, about an hour and a half before market open, and I was chatting to Strath, and he said, you know what, John? Though I bet that's what everyone is thinking. But the last time the Nikkei went up like this, like up 7% in one day, it was about in October 2008. And you know what happened after that? The market dropped another 65%. So um, that's what we've got to think about is where it came from, and this is why we've been drawing these silly little lines on our chart for the last few weeks. In trading room last night and in the executive summaries I've been saying, I said that look, the pennant formation on the bear flag is probably going to look like this, and or it's going to look like that. Okay, rally, rally. And I said last night in trading room, we'll probably, we may rally up. I think in the executive summary last night, we'll rally up and probably hit this trend line here and then trade down. The best thing that could happen to confirm this bear flag is a close below the high the close of yesterday, which is 1969.41. Which most important thing is that open range. So the real figure we need to close below is 1970.09. So the fact that we've rallied straight up and basically given all of that up is excellent price action so far to indicate what's going on. And we can see that the S&P is just plunging straight down from where it opened at, which is fantastic for anyone obviously trading these markets. Now we've hit a little bit of support here where we can see this gap came from, so we may get a bit of a bounce, but so far the action is good. Now the other thing, of course, I'd like to point out is anyone holding VVUS. I certainly hope you are. We actually reviewed this just maybe it was last week or the week before, and we said, hey, look, VVUS looks exciting. There's the institutional buying on it, and we're going to buy the January 2017 $1 calls. And Yahoo, VVUS. Up intraday was up about 40%. The options are up 42.86% currently. The ask is 98 cents. The bid is 80. And last price 90 cents. We bought those at 62 cents. So obviously we're very happy with that, and I'm continuing to hold those. But some may consider taking profit. Obviously, 42% profit is nothing wrong with that. And you can see on the stock side of things, it's rallied up, it's hit that resistance, and has just pulled back a little bit. So if I was in the stock, I'd probably take profit because you can buy back. With the options, I mean, they can obviously jump dramatically. So I'm holding on to the options, but as a stock trade, certainly I'd be taking profit with the 40% return. So there's VVUS, also very exciting. And that's basically a little bit of a morning wrap for you. In terms of other movers, I also got into some AVH, some calls on this one. Those are up. They're up 14.29%. I got into those at $1.15, and also the other ones, of course, from the executive summary have been doing well also. So just to play the counter trend as a hedge, that's the other way we're looking at. So anyway, that is your executive summary for this morning, and I hope to see everybody in the stock scanning workshop tonight. For those of you who haven't signed up for our stock scanning workshop, you can do so by going to acornwealthcorp.com / just acornwealthcorp.com, and then you can just click on Contact Us, and you can sign up for the workshop. We do have a free workshop on tomorrow as well at 5 p.m. Pacific. That's kind of the introduction to the paid one. But that's at acornwealthcorp.com/event to register for that. That's going to be a ton of value as well. But we will see you all soon, and happy trading today, guys.